The hidden message. In the bustling city of Rivertown, there was a famous old library filled with ancient books and hidden secrets. Among the shelves worked Emma, a young and curious librarian. One day, while sorting through a pile of dusty books, she stumbled upon a peculiar, leather-bound journal. Its pages were filled with strange symbols and cryptic messages. Intrigued, Emma decided to decode the mysterious writings. She spent days researching, studying the symbols, and piecing together the puzzle. One night, she discovered that the journal contained a hidden message leading to a secret room within the library. Following the clues, Emma found a hidden door behind a bookshelf. Her heart raced as she opened it, revealing a small, forgotten room filled with ancient artifacts and a chest. Inside the chest, she found old maps, valuable coins, and a letter from a long-lost explorer who had hidden his treasures to protect them. Emma's discovery made headlines, turning the library into a popular destination for treasure hunters and history enthusiasts. She became a local hero, known for her curiosity and determination. Life lesson: curiosity and perseverance can lead to amazing discoveries. English lesson: vocabulary, bustling, peculiar, cryptic, decode, clues, artifacts, explorer, grammar, simple past tense, worked, stumbled, spent, found, opened.
If you enjoyed our story, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update.